And hey guys, welcome to the channel. And today I'm hands on the Realme 10 Pro Plus, and this is a 5G smartphone, and also this is a middle-end model from Realme. And this time for this phone, they have a very unique and very attractive back panel design. It's like when we move closer, we can find it's have a sand polishing material, and actually it's not. Sand polishing fittings is a shining back panel, and also different angles we can get different reflections. Like here is get the textures lines, the blue lines, so this is very unique and attractive. And also for this time about the specifications, also I think it's the position is as a middle-end smartphone, but actually some of the specifications are high-end. Like first, the triple camera system. The main one is 108 megapixel and 8 megapixel wide angle and 2 megapixel macro lens. But the main camera is just cool. The Samsung 108 megapixel. And also when we go 10 to the front part, front side we can find that it have a amazing display performance because the screen to build ratio is reached to amazing 93%, and also we can find that the chains are and the hair for hairs are really narrow. We have for the chains they have only 2.3 mm, yeah, narrow bedless. And also this time the screen is also pretty cool. It's a 6.7-inch full LED plus OLED screen, support 120 Hz refresh rate. And also this time the screen passed a lot of certificate. It's our HDR10 plus, and also we choose the refresh rate and also participate the Gemini line authentication. And also it's have a low bright eye protect mode for this screen, and also I find that the control is very small, so the display performance is really amazing. And the back panel, the curved design, also the curved screen make this phone is very comfortable to hold it on a hand. And also the size is not so big. It's only for 16 it's only 8 mm, so this very six forms. And also the weight is on 175 grams, even lighter than the last generation, 7 grams less than the last generation 9 Pro Plus. So this phone very nice to hold it on your hand and for a long time using. And also for the screen, you can use this to watch the World Cup. It's so poor, good qualities, and also the full display performance design is amazing. And also the chips like the processor, this time they used Snapdragon MediaTek Dimensity 180 processor. Is a 12 plus gig plus 256 GB RAM and ROM, and the RAM is support 4 GB exported. And also the 5 and also Dimensity chips is the low consumption chips with the big battery is 5000. So this can be your perfect maybe perfect backup smartphones, or you can also use it as a main device. And also the batteries, and for the is have a 767 fast charging. 20 minutes you can get you can get 50% charger from 0 to 50%. And also the camera, as I mentioned, 60. It also have a 60 megapixel 60 megapixel front cameras. So this is pretty nice for the for such a device. And also the as I mentioned, the design, the camera, the battery, the screen, the processor, and also Like the UI, they use the Realme UI 4.0. It's based on Android 13, and also it supports NFC on the screen fingerprint, and also it have a dual stereo system, and also it have a infrared emitters. And so this is a very nice middle-end smartphone. So do you like such designed middle-end smartphone? And also, would you like to buy? If yes. So yeah, this is very quick talk on the Realme 10 Pro plus the mid-end phone from Realme. So thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadget from here. Bye bye.